Good morning, everyone. Running a little bit late this morning. Just gotta jump right into it. Gotta dive right into the Mario levels. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, yep, that's the right lever. Pull the right lever, Patrick. Bring the audio down. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Mario Maker Mornings. Monday, Wednesday. Let's get this over here. Monday, Wednesday, Friday morning show, in which we play levels created by the Mario Maker community, including you. Yes, you are allowed to send levels to me. If you DM me on Twitter, I will send you a P.O. box. That P.O. box, well, then I'll take your mail and send it to a place that I can pick it up. We got new letters. We've got new correspondence from the internet. Hold on, I gotta figure out how all the letters go together. I think this is it. Oh, hold on. Yeah, okay. This is right. Alright, we're done with that one. This one. Wow. That's the response I make to all the levels I play. Wow. Wow. So this comes from Jamie and Daniel. Dear Patrick, my 7-year-old son and I, I'll have to restart this morning. My 7-year-old son Daniel and I are huge fans of Mario Maker Mornings. Attached is a picture from Daniel along with a code from his first created level. He'd be thrilled if you take a shot at it. Hopefully before Nintendo decides to delete it. We just had 3 of his other levels wiped out today. I had no hand in this, so please blame him for any frustrations. Thanks again for taking the time to play his level. Esports, Jamie and Daniel. Well, Jamie, Daniel, I hope this code exists. I hope it's not been deleted. That'll make me really upset. Let's find out. Oh, I might have to take a break here for a second to hide my dog. Hold on, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Okay, let's find this code. Whoop. Bumping the mic. Not a lot of desk space. Working with what we got. 29 FA 000 01 EA FD 9A. All right. The level exists! Okay. Piranhas on the loose. That's not... I get scared of piranhas. Who wouldn't be scared of piranhas? If you're not scared of piranhas, what are you doing in this channel? I don't get it. Okay. So, piranhas on the loose from Jamie, Daniel, specifically 7-year-old Daniel, and Jamie, his father, claims he has nothing to do with it. Here we go. I'm gonna start with some wall jumps. Yep. Great start. It's more piranhas than I care to deal with. Jump. Oh. Can I go on any of these? What about this one? Nope. Gotta get those coins. They're just there for the take? Oh, this is a problem, though. Oh, I've messed this up. Yeah, I messed that up. So those coins are there because you're not supposed to get those coins. Alright, well, fine. I'm not gonna do that. Oh. Alright, leave those coins for someone else, some other fool. Oh, oh, oh. I might need okay. Woo! Tight jump. Oh! Yeah, okay. Not great. Not great. That's not the jump timing we were looking for. Okay. Whew. Anything up here? That's just... I want that mushroom. Give it to me. I want that mushroom. Alright. That was a poor choice. I just gotta run for it. Okay. Alright. Alright, Daniel. See how it is. Not messing around. Okay. I just want it. I don't like to wait. Daniel, you're making me wait. I understand. It's your level. Alright, come on. Come on, Klepek. You're a Mario Maker expert. Show your expert. Show the expert.
Oh no!
What?
Oh no!
Daniel. What's going on here? Why wouldn't you let me make it over there? Do I have to twirl a bunch of times to get over there? Ah. Womp. Get over there. Yeah, I ain't stopping for nothing. Daniel can't stop me. Oh! Okay, all right. Real close. I think I just didn't have the timing down. Got it. Oh, nope. Let's go ahead and just stop that now. Woo! Daniel, you're making me work for it. Okay. Oh! Oh! That was good. I like that. Didn't expect it. Whew. Okay. Do I want that? You've been tricking me most of this level, Daniel. Okay. Take the one up. Okay. Whew. Don't touch the others. Boom. We got it. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Jamie, for submitting that level. And please, if you're a fan of Mario Maker Mornings, head over and play that level. Let's make sure that Nintendo doesn't delete it. It's absurd that we have to go to such lengths in order to preserve these stages that are being made by cool folks like Daniel. But go and just star it. Just, do what you got to do. I'm going to go ahead and comment. I didn't get the world record. That's unfortunate. Okay. I'm going to draw. Yep. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep, that's me. That's me going to the goal. That's okay. Hold on, I'll show you. I think I have to hide my webcam for it to show up. Send. Ooh, I love content being entered successfully. Look at, yeah, that's me going on a trampoline and going to the goal. That's obviously what that is. Obviously. What else would it be? Jaku says, did you see that Pugatory is quote-unquote back? I did not see that. Jaku, if you want to go ahead and send me an email with details about what you're talking about and why you're saying it in quotes, I would appreciate that. All right, we got another level sent in through the mail. So this comes with a wonderful drawing. Klepek Troopa. Accurate. Miyamoto, get on it. It's an enemy design waiting to be implemented in the next Mario game. We got a letter. We lived in Australia for 6 months and couldn't play Mario Maker, so we just watched you. Now we made an airplane level for you. It's hard. An easy Yoshi. Oh, there's a hard level and an easy Yoshi level. And another one with a regular level with Bullet Bill. Thanks from Hawaii, Sloan and Henry. Well, thank you, Sloan and Henry, for sending that along. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Let's see what we got going on. I guess we got to pick one of the levels. Let's start with the hard level. The airplane level. Is an airplane level a level you made on the airplane? That'd be pretty cool. Let's see. A71D 018C 6A0. Got it. Tri-wing. Get that stylus back in that gamepad. Come on. Alright. It's Tri-wing. Comes from Bry Guy. Specifically, Sloan and Henry. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, well, no. That's, yep. Nope. Okay, that's... I like it. I like it. A little puzzle. Do I want this? Oh. Okay. What's down there? I'm just gonna hold this P-switch. This feels like the right thing to do. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna say I don't need this P-switch. Oh. Oh. Ha. Duh. Woo. Be cool, Klepek. Be cool. Everyone be chill. Everyone be chill. Ah. Did not like it. Oh, oh. No checkpoints. Oh, I thought there would just be one. Son of a. Not so much. Now I'm just sad. Now I'm just sad. A lot of tension that builds in the stage as you keep getting further. So basically, once the first one falls, you just gotta move it. Just gotta keep on trucking. Ooh, just like that. Just like that. Don't stop for nothing. Don't need that P-switch. I like that little bit because it makes it seem like you screwed up and maybe we're supposed to activate the P-switch in order to keep going. Woo! Oh, that almost went poorly. Boom, ideal. That's exactly how you want it to go. Wait for it to drop. Whoa. What? Take it. How did I... What just... Was that... Was there an enemy up there? What... What just... What the what? I guess that was put there to stop me from doing exactly what I did. Clever girl. Also, you... I guess there must have been something there. There's a lot of the, spiky turtles, so I can presume... I would presume maybe there was something up there related to that. Oh. Son of a... Messed that up. Too fast. Too fast. Too fast. Too furious. Slow it down, Klepek. Nope. Nope. No, 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 no. Get over here. Oh, jumped right over it like a true pro. Boom! Alright. Let's take care of this bomb threat. Whoosh! Son of a... Should've known it was gonna happen. Was getting too cocky. But only 'cause I'm the greatest, you know? Klepek, you're getting humbled. Son of a... Ooh. Oh, it's because I sped up that sequence, so the fire motion's gonna be off just a little bit. That would have been beautiful, but it didn't happen. Get rid of that turtle, though. That's kind of good. Just not great, you know, just, you know, this is what happens to a world champ, you know, he's got to get knocked down a peg. Okay. Look, the turtle didn't disappear. Alright, Fist Zero. Just resub for 5 months. Thanks so much for supporting the channel, Fisk. Super appreciate it. You and everyone else that's been a part of this channel while I've been doing it. Folks like you make my heart sing. Don't. Whew. Let's wait for the next one. Okay. Let's maybe chill down in this area. Yeah, huh. Oh. Mr. Wiggler, I'm sorry I didn't finish your level. What? Oh man. Do I just have to go for it? Okay. Oh, that's so well designed. Oh, I love it. That's a beautiful leap of faith. Leap of faiths can be done so improperly, but that's one that you really shouldn't screw up. It's not that far. It's a basic Mario jump. First clear, world record. Esports. 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 You may hear a vacuum behind me. Do not be alarmed. Star it. Comment. All right, let's write a message. And if I remove this, send. Content you entered was done successfully. Oh! Esports. Love it. Well, that finishes the levels we have with letters. Again, if you would like your level to be played, the best way to guarantee it is to send me a letter. Just slide on into my DMs on Twitter. I'll send it to you. Best way to get at me. See if there's anything new from the makers. Our thanks to, let's get those letters out, to Sloan and Henry. Oh wait, my webcam. Sloan and Henry. And our thanks to Jamie and Daniel. Thanks so much for sending those in. I'm gonna make a collage of all of those real soon because I have quite a stack here at this point, and it's awesome. I really appreciate it. Now we got time to check out what, one more level maybe. I don't think anyone I follow has made any new levels. Stank? I think Stank is officially a hung up Mario Maker. It's upsetting. Bowser? Anything? Man. Well, if you've got a level that you'd like to drop into the chat, now is the time. The chat is open. Give me your levels. Levels that maybe you made, levels that maybe you're just a fan of. And we'll at least check it out before we finish. Look where we've been. How far we've come. Hey Patrick, here's a fairly traditional Mario 3 Fortress with a few Dark Souls inspired touches. It's fairly easy though. I'm working on a harder version. Dark Souls. Speak my language. Alright, Mr. Vapor Water Handle, which is... I'm into that nickname. I gotta admit. A bookmark. A refresh. King Broly says, but I submitted my code first. King Broly is not about first. It is not about first. But thank you for your submission. Doesn't mean I won't play it. And also, like I said, if you want to guarantee it, like a little drawing, drop it in the mail. Boom. Your level's on the show. Okay. Hidden bonfire. Why would I want to do this? Okay. Oh. Because of that. That makes sense. Yep. I remember this part from Dark Souls. Right, I forgot. You have to tap A in order to continue using it. Alright. Oh, this gives me an attack. I'll take it. That's just like Dark Souls. Yeah, I'll take the coins. Ooh. Oh. 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 Shoot. Oh, I bet that's gonna be another item. Can it come back? Will it float back? No, P-Switch. We loved you. You had so much to live for. Ugh. Ah, oh. Shoot. Ah! Anything? Nope. Oh! Let's go on, move on. Ooh! Shoot! Oh! No! How does this... Ah! No! Shoot. Thought I had it. Okay, I'm a little more careful. But this is like Dark Souls. You know, you don't just get a checkpoint right in front of the boss. Actually, Dark Souls has gotten progressively more kind about giving you stuff in front of a boss. Or close. Oh, yeah. That's a boom. Hit it. You got that, Mario. People saying you didn't get the hidden bonfire. You're right. I'll take this, though. don't know where the hidden bonfire is. Oh, that's why you want this. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah. Alright. Yeah, that made sense why you would want. Get it. Oh. Ah. Not good. Boom. Well-timed jump. That's what you gotta do when you're playing Dark Souls. It's a well-timed jump. Or attack, you know. One and the same. What? Okay. I'll take it. Woo! Thank you to Mr. Vapor Water Handle for that mildly Dark Souls inspired level. I'll take it. I wonder where is the may the souls be with you. That's what today is about, right? May the souls be with you. I liked it. That was just a good level. Let's see, where is it? Hidden bonfire. Download. Oh, you fly up there, huh? I bet that's got to be it. I guess I could drop Mario there, huh? And not fly up there.
Let's go.
That's cool. That's awesome. That's really neat. So if you wanted to get that, you would have had to run through and then fly up. Not like that. Definitely, that would be the opposite of what you wanted to do. That's smart. That's cool. Alright, well that is going to do it for Mario Maker Mornings. You can see this and many other things over at youtube.com/PatrickKlepek, my continuing Dark Souls 3 playthrough, the Enter the Gungeon streams, Mario Maker Mornings. Stay tuned for more of that. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll be back tomorrow with more Enter the Gungeon. See ya. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, that's awesome. I'm happy for you. There's tons of other stuff around here. You might have watched me die at Mario. You might have watched me scream at horror games. You might have watched me react to trailers with my wife. You might have watched me share some of the coolest video games out there you've never heard of. There's lots going on the site. And YouTube, so that means what? You have to like, you have to comment, you have to subscribe. All those things help the channel. All those things help me. And I really appreciate it if you become part of the community over here. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in another one.